Imagine living in a peaceful community when you can start a family, build your future, or even retire comfortably, yet you are only 30 to 45 minutes away from Makati and BGC. For as low as 26,000 pesos per month or 446 US dollars, you can already own a prime lot here at Maple Grove Park Village by MegaWorld. Hi guys, it's me again, Freddy Del Rosario, your trusted real estate broker of MegaWorld Alpha. Guys, grabe, as you can see, no, sobrang ganda naman talaga nitong clubhouse natin. So as you can see, we have here the main clubhouse or the main reception of this clubhouse. And sa mga buyers, no, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong clubhouse. As you can see, may mga lumilipad pang paru-paro, no? And gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na itong Maple Grove Park Village is situated inside here at Maple Grove Township or Maple Grove Cavite's Business District. So nandito na po si MegaWorld sa area ng General Trias, Cavite. And later, no, i-discuss ko sa inyo why you should invest here in Maple Grove Township. This is actually one of my favorite project, itong Maple Grove Park Village, because it's part of Maple Grove Township, no? As you can see, no, speaking of township, si MegaWorld from Eastwood City, McKinley Hill, McKinley West, Uptown, BGC, Newport City has proven its expertise in building this master plan township. And masasabi ko na most of those township became one of the tourist spot destination, and when it comes to foot traffic, sila ang nagsaset and became the economy driver ng isang lugar, especially here in General Trias. And with that, itong village na to, this is soon to be one of a kind, just like even better than the McKinley Hill and McKinley West village. So yun na nga, no, located siya here in General Trias, Cavite. And if a flash ko sa screen, as you can see in the Google map, this is located here in General Trias, Cavite. And going here back and forth to Metro Manila, it will only take you 30 to 45 minutes via NAIA Expressway, Cavite Expressway or Cavitex, and nasa Kawit ka na. So as you can see, sobrang lapit lang, even from BGC to here, no? And from Pasay to here and NAIA Airport, in fact, from NAIA Airport, kaya siya ng 30 minutes. So ako, no, personally, I work here 5 times a week, and usually ang travel time ko 30-45 minutes, lalo na pag walang traffic. And kung titignan nyo, para ka lang talagang bumabiyahe from Makati to Cubao or from Makati to Quezon City. Minsan mas matagal pa nga kasi nga very traffic and congested dun sa Metro Manila na. And with that, no, as our government really planned to decongest the Metro Manila, and even the other developer are moving towards south development na, right now, it's the best time to start to invest your own property. And going to the other side naman ng south, which is going to SLEX, Mamplasan, Rotonda, or going to Santa Rosa, Laguna, the other side of the south, you can take the Anghari Road and nasa SLEX ka na in just less than an hour. To update you on the current construction status ng CALAX, especially para sa mga clients natin abroad na hindi pa familiar sa infrastructure development dito, Maple Grove will have an easy access to CALAX via Open Canal Interchange. As of now, full swing na ang construction ng CALAX at it is targeted to be completed by 2026. So, here's the simple map overview. So, as you can see, yung mga interchanges ng CALAX natin from Mamplasan Toll to Laguna Technopark, Laguna Boulevard, and Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, and Silang East, no, hanggang Silang Aguinaldo Interchange, etong mga to, open na sila right now. And the good thing for this year, the Governor's Drive Interchange is under construction na, nearing completion this 2026. And eto guys, no, tignan nyo lang yung map na to. Itong Open Canal Interchange, which is 18 minutes lang from Maple Grove, is soon to be done this year. And magkakaroon na tayo ng easy access to Calax by this interchange. And of course, the Kawit interchange to be finished this year. So far, operational na and currently in use na ang Calax sa sections from Laguna up to Silang while ongoing pa rin ang construction sa Cavite side. And grabe, kung titignan nyo talaga ang buong accessibility ng Maple Grove, super lapit niya lang sa Calax, Open Canal Interchange. At hindi lang yon, Maple Grove is just beside the massive infrastructure development dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang ito basta tulay road development, no? Isa ito sa mga malalaking infrastructure na magkakaroon ng connectivity and economic activity that will make all the properties here in General Trias, Cavite to appreciate over time. Grabe, ang swerte lang ng mga taong makakapasok dito sa Maple Grove Township because this is just few steps or few minutes away to this massive development. Some of the massive infrastructure development na meron dito sa Cavite, especially in General Trias, is Sangli International Airport. Ito ang bagong international airport sa Cavite City na inaasahang magiging malaking passenger at logistic hub to ease congestion sa NAIA. The second one is Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge, isang napakalaking 32 kilometers na bridge across Manila Bay na magkokonekta ng Maribeles, Bataan papuntang Naik, Cavite. Kapag natapos, mababawasan ito ang travel time from 5 hours to around 45 minutes at malaking tulong ito sa logistic at regional connectivity. The third one is Cavite Gateway Terminal, isang bagong container barge terminal na magkoconnect sa Port of Manila at Cavite papunta sa ibang part ng Luzon. And of course, hindi mawawala ang C5 South Link. Itong expressway na ito ang magkoconnect sa Cavitex to C5 Road in Taguig. And syempre, LRT Line 6, may planong light rail transit line na maghahatid ng commuters mula Southern Metro Manila papuntang Cavite areas. From Sangli International Airport to Mega Bataan Cavite Interlink Bridge, Cavite Gateway Terminal, C5 South Link, Cavitex C5 Link, LRT Line 6 or proposed Cavite Rail Line, once lahat ng development na ito are fully operational in the next few years, hindi lang ito magandang lugar para tumira or use, kundi isa rin itong powerful investment location habang patuloy na nag-a-advance ang infrastructure ng bansa. Grabe guys, no, as you can see, wala talaga akong masabi sa location ng Maple Grove dito sa General Trias, Cavite. In fact, no, para siyang future-proof investment and sa mga clients na nagbabalak na, of course, aside from personal use, no, if you're into land banking or capital appreciation ng hanap mo, the best din ito para paglagyan ng investment mo. Another big advantage of Maple Grove is its proximity to different hospitals and medical centers here in Cavite City. Maple Grove Park Village is conveniently located near several well-known hospitals in Cavite, such as Divine Grace Medical Center in General Trias, General Trias Maternity and Pediatric Hospital, Gentry Doctors Medical Center, De La Salle University Medical Center, Dasmariñas, Asia Medic Family Hospital and Medical Center, Metropolitan Medical Center in Cavite, and various private clinics, diagnostic center, and health facilities. And these hospitals provide residents with emergency care, specialized treatment, and everyday medical services. And isa sa mga advantage ng Maple Grove is malapit ito sa mga top universities and colleges dito sa Cavite. Living in Maple Grove Park Village means having an access to quality education from top universities and reputable college in Cavite nearby areas. These are the educational institutions near the township include De La Salle University, Dasmariñas, Lyceum of the Philippines University Cavite or LPU Cavite, Cavite State University Main Campus in Indang, Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite, Far Eastern University or FEU Cavite, San Sebastian College, Recoletos de Cavite, National College of Science and Technology, and various private college and training institutions in General Trias and Dasmariñas, Cavite. These schools make this Maple Grove an ideal location for starting family, investors looking for long-term demand, and retirees. Aside from that, no, since nasa loob tayo ng Master Plan Township, soon, magkakaroon din dito ng mga international school and yan yung aabangan natin dito. Of course, the last but not the least, Maple Grove is a flood-free area. One of the features of this township is the catchment basin or the rainwater park located at the center of the township. If I flash ko sa screen, as you can see, no, this catchment basin or rainwater park, one of the feature is mag-hold ng 3 to 4 million gallons of water to prevent the flood inside the township. With the sewage treatment plant, no, this collected water or rainwater is used during dry season for utility use. So, guys, grabe, ganyan ka-sustainable itong township. And of course, malayo tayo sa fault line. So ayun na nga, nakita natin kung gaano kaganda itong Maple Grove when it comes to location. The proximity from Manila to here via Skyway, NAIA Expressway and Cavitex na sobrang lapit lang. The massive infrastructure development na meron dito, such as Sangli International Airport, the Bataan Link Bridge, the Cavite Barge Terminal, and of course, the proximity of top-notch universities and colleges and medical facilities here. Grabe, I can say na this Maple Grove Township is one of a kind and one of the best na pwede nating pag-investan this 2026. And with that, no, speaking of the best investment, I highly recommend our first village and the only village na meron kami dito sa loob ng township, which is the Maple Grove Park Village. And speaking of this village, this Maple Grove Park Village is part of 140-hectare Maple Grove Cavites Business District. Sa labas nito, guys, nandun na agad yung Maple Grove Commercial District natin. So as you can see, no, behind me, ayan na agad yung Commercial District. And aside from that, no, this 140-hectare township features includes a 30-meter wide road, a mixed-use development, which is may mga transport hub, prime grade offices, school, church, no, and among others. And yun naman talaga yung goal ng township development ni MegaWorld, to create a live, work, play, learn concept na nandun na lahat and hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. And living and investing here in Maple Grove Park Village is one of the best and smart move this 2026. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo sa screen yung buong township map natin, and later, itutur ko kayo ano bang mga best lot and available lot ang pwede nating start na pag-investan ngayon dito sa village. So, recap ko lang, right now, we're here inside Maple Grove Park Village. So, it's a 22.2 hectare exclusive village dito sa Maple Grove. So, guys, no, as you can see, we only have very limited lots here. It's 377 saleable lots lang. So, lot ranges from 280 to over 600 square meters. And guys, as you can see, grabe, no, sa labas mo lang, nandyan yung township natin. We have the offices, commercial, residential, the commercial strip natin, no, and other township features. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na just like the McKinley Hill Village and McKinley West Village, no, grabe naman ng prices doon right now after a decade, because it's a matter of the supply and demand. Because right now, dun sa mga existing or yung mga existing township namin right now na may very limited supply, since may supply constraint siya, mas nagtataas pa at mas nag-appreciate pa yung property ng mga nasa high-end sector. Yun na nga, dahil limited lang ang supply mo, mas mataas talaga yung price niya. And with that, no, I just want to highlight that right now, here in General Trias, Cavite, wala pa naman talaga masyadong naglo-launch sa high-end sector or yung high-end na mga developers. Kung meron man, I think may isa, dalawa, or tatlo na na-launch pa lang. But overall, no, and considering it's a MegaWorld brand, no, isa ito sa pinaka magiging in demand or isa sa pwedeng pwestuhan ng mga nasa high-end market. Malaki yung chance na itong property na to, especially dito sa Maple Grove Park Village, malaki yung room niya for future appreciation and syempre for the future demand since wala pa talagang existing or very limited pa lang yung existing high-end dito sa side na to. Considering nga in the future, no, once matapos ang mga developments like the Sangli Airport, since this will be the international airport to decongest the NAIA, this will be one of the first choices ng mga pwedeng workers doon and syempre yung other workers dun sa mga other massive infrastructure developments natin. So, meron akong lot recommendation na ipapakita sa inyo. And then, no, discuss ko lang din sa inyo na if maybe some of you will ask, no, kaya ba talaga yung ganong setup na pwedeng maraming mag-demand nitong high-end village na ito in the future? I can say na guys, right now pa lang talaga, as you can see yung mataas na office building namin dito, which is One Corporate Place. It's a lease-to-own office space na ino-offer namin dito sa Maple Grove. If you just know clients, last year, or 6 months ago nung in-offer ang lease-to-own terms, halos na fully sold out po itong One Corporate Place office space namin. And guess what? Who are the tenants? These tenants are from different companies, from logistics, aesthetic industry, from different corporate offices ng mga companies, no? Ang dami na right now nag-relocate dito sa township, which is an indication na itong township natin na to, unti-unti nagte-take shape siya into one of the central business district here in General Trias, Cavite. And going back again, no, dun sa mga nakabili na sa McKinley Hill, McKinley West, and Alabang West, no, after a decade again, I think ang price na doon ay nasa 450,000 per square meter in McKinley, and sa Alabang West, nasa 110 or 120,000 per square meter na siya. So ulitin ko lang, those are yung mga naunang projects din ni Mega World na may limited supply lang in that township or in that area. And etong sa General Trias, Cavite, this is the only one township lang ulit na gagawin dito ni Mega World. And malaki yung chance niya na pwede ring mag-pick tayo dun sa ganung price in the near future. So, ayan, dahil nabanggit ko na sa inyo kung gaano kagandang mag-start ng investment dito sa Maple Grove Park Village, meron akong magandang recommendation na lot sa inyo, which is sobrang good deal. This one is located in Block 25, Lot 5. So, flash ko na lang sa screen. As you can see, there are only limited lots lang in this block, no? And this Block 5, Lot 25, it's a 280 square meter lot. So this 280 square meter lot, the price or net of discount price is 19.4 million. So dito, no, maybe you're asking me, Sir Freddy, how to start investment dito sa Maple Grove Park Village. So dito, you only have to reserve it for 70,000 pesos. And then, bibigyan namin kayo ng 3 years to pay at 0% interest for as low as 26,000 per month or 32,000 per month with annual lump sum. Let's say, for example, you choose the 26,000 per month. Ang annual lump sum natin ay approximately nasa 965,000 per year. But then, we have also an option which is 32,000 per month with annual lump sum of 570,000 per year. Not bad pa rin because in the span of 3 years, let's say nagbayad ka in the span of 3 years, on the 30th month, no, yung turnover balance natin, that is subject to bank financing or in-house financing. Pero again, no, dun sa 3 years na yon, with the low monthly of 36 or 32,000 per month with yearly lump sum, anytime naman po na meron kayong extra money or advance payment, since 0% interest tayo, pwede tayong mag-advance payment anytime. So, bababa yung turnover balance natin. And the catch dito, since standard naman sa mga property na yearly may appreciation or price increase, let's say meron tayong 8% increase yearly, no? After 3 years, pwede tayo magkaroon ng capital generation of 4.5 million. So imagine, maybe in the next 3, 4, 5 years, no, plus 4.5 million dun sa initial investment natin. Let's say, maging 25 million na ang value niya. So, you have an option if gusto nyo, i-flip nyo that time, or syempre, tayuan nyo ng house for retirement, or whatever you want to do with this property. it's still good option and good thing na gawin because nasa loob tayo ng township. And this is something na other way ng mga rich clients natin na mas makapag-invest at mas grow or mapag-grow nila yung money nila instead na nasa bank. So again, this one, it's a 280 square meter, no down payment. You just have to reserve it for 70,000 and choose in payment plan of 26,000 or 32,000 per month and may 280 square meter lot ka na. So, I have another lot recommendation sa inyo, so stay tuned. And another lot recommendation ko sa inyo is malapit sa Pocket Park. As you can see, behind me is the Pocket Park. And malapit siya dito sa secondary road natin. No? And of course, paglabas niyan, ito na yung township natin. So this one is Block 16, Lot 5. It's a 300 square meter lot, no, na malapit sa secondary entrance, guardhouse. And of course, malapit sa clubhouse. Super near lang. I-flash ko na lang sa screen yung lot availability natin. So ayan siya. It's 300 square meter with very wide frontage, no? So, i-flash ko lang sa screen. So, as you can see, ang haba ng frontage niya. And this one is, as for the price, nasa 21 million lang siya. So, again, no, it's a no down payment term. This one, i-reserve nyo lang yung lot or yung itong lot natin for only 70,000 pesos. And after 30 days, mag-start na tayo mag-monthly amortization for as low as 28,000 or 32,000 per month. Either sa dalawa, no? This is 3 years to pay at 0% interest. So again, no, ulitin ko lang to those client na looking for way to save money, sobrang ganda nito kasi this one, ang selling point niya, malapit sa guardhouse at malapit ka rin sa clubhouse. And this lot, paglabas mo, nasa commercial district ka na. So, this is a no down payment. And again, no, sa mga buyers, you can make advance payment anytime and take advantage the 0% interest. Malay natin, maybe after 3 years, no, almost halos na bayaran or half na lang yung balance natin dito sa lote natin. So why I am offering this lot, no? So ang masasabi ko lang, hindi lang kasi ito a typical property. What I'm offering you is a premium development or premium lot na nasa loob ng Mega World Township. So guys, this one, you can take advantage it for as low as 26,000 or $446. Makaka-enter na kayo dito sa very premium development ni Mega World. So yan guys, no, nabigay ko na sa inyo yung top 2 lot recommendation ko sa inyo. If you want to know more about this project, you may contact me in my Viber, WhatsApp, or iMessage at +63977 4300276, or you can message me in my business email, freddy.megaworld@gmail.com. You may also direct message me in my Facebook account, Fred Patricio Del Rosario. So again, you may contact me if you want to know more or schedule a site tripping here. So guys, no, this year of January 2026 is actually the best time to start your investment here. And sa mga OFW, sa mga workers natin abroad, or sa mga clients or buyers na nagpa-plan mag-retire early, this is actually the best time to start your investment this year. And ako personally, no, syempre hindi rin kasi biro na mag-invest sa mga ginto. And let's always make sure na pumupwesto tayo dun sa mga right properties na pipiliin natin. So, wala tayong worries in the near future. So, ayun na nga, no, I hope nakatulong itong vlog and video na to sa ating mga local clients and OFW clients na naghahanap ng perfect investment this 2026. Again, no, sana po napakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa Maple Grove, kung gaano kaganda dito sa General Trias, Cavite to start your investment this year. And again, thank you po sa mga nanonood ng vlog na ito. Again, this is Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of Mega World Alpha, and always remind you, no matter how life takes you, home will always be the Philippines.